Let's take a look at this example. First, we have to find where is our u and v. So this is my u, and this is my v. Okay? Of course, we are talking about the product of two factors. We have to find the derivative of it. Okay? So let's write on the side first. U is equal 5 minus 3x. So derivative of u prime is equal. Derivative of constant is equal 0. Derivative of 3x is equal simply 3. So I have to copy down the negative sign, and derivative of 3x is equal 3. So u prime is equal negative 3. If you don't understand what I'm doing right now, you're supposed to review the first section of the derivatives, which we covered earlier, because right now I'm going to do a lot of calculations in my head. So we have to find v. So v is equal the content of the parentheses. Okay, so I have 2 plus 7x. So we have to find the derivative of it. So v prime is equal. Derivative of constant is equal 0. We have to copy down the sign. Derivative of 7x is equal 7. So v prime is equal 7. Next, we're supposed to use the formula. So we have y prime is going to be equal u, my u is equal 5 minus 3x times v prime, which is equal 7, plus v, which is 2 plus 7x, times u prime. U prime is equal negative 3. So if y prime is equal 7 times 5 is equal 35. 7 times negative 3 is equal negative 21x. Now I have negative 3 times 2 is equal negative 6. Negative 3 times 7x is equal negative 21x. So I have y prime equals negative 21x, and negative 21x is equal negative 42x. 35 minus 6 is equal 29. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem.